The major aerosol pollutant present in the jet plane emission: fluorocarbon. Sugar water can be purified for recycling with the action of microorganisms, but are the chief pollutants of atmosphere which are most likely to deplete the ozone layer. Nitrogen oxide and fluorocarbon gas released during Bhopal tragedy was methyl isocyanate. Minamata disease is a pollution-related disease with result from release of industrial mercury waste into drinking water. Which of the following is a rich source of energy and never cause atmospheric pollution? Solar energy. Lichens are important in the study of atmospheric pollution because they are very sensitive to pollutants like SO2. If water pollution continue as it present rate, it will eventually make oxygen molecule unable to water plants. DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant. BOD stand for biochemical oxygen demand. Cyclone collectors is used to control air pollution. The ultimate environment hazard to mankind is nuclear winter. Lead is considered as air pollution, major pollution causing agent to man. The maximum biological magnification of DDT through food web is seen in man. In a polluted lake, the index of pollution is diaphnea. In cities like Bombay, Calcutta, the major air pollutant are carbon monoxide and oxide of sulfurs. Ultraviolet rays of sunlight result in formation of ozone. Which of the following is a major greenhouse gas? CO2. The region of depletion of ozone layer is chlorofluorocarbon, which cause the water pollution to 4D and pesticides. Ultraviolet radiation from sunlight cause the reaction that produce ozone. The most standing danger at present for survival of living beings on Earth is desertification. U-238 emits beta rays, which radioactive strontium will be produced as a result of radioactive fallout. Strontium-90 domestic wastes contain biodegradable pollutant. One of the main effects of dust is closure of stomata. Smoke is a common pollutant in place having low temperature. Acid rain is caused due to increase in concentration of SO2. Major aerosol pollutant present in the jet plane emission: fluorocarbon. Which of the pollutant is not released by the exhaust of motor vehicles in Delhi? Fly ash. In Mumbai and Kolkata, the air pollutants are carbon monoxide and oxide of sulfurs. Main air pollutant carbon monoxide. The maximum air pollutant is caused by automobiles, exhausts and chemicals from industries. The effect of pollution is the first and most marked on natural geochemical cycles. Deforestation will increase rainfall. One of the following is concerned with conservation of forest. Silent Valley. Wildlife is valuable as a source of gene. A species in immediate danger of extinction is endangered. Which is the cause of air pollution? Smoke. Major pollution causing agent is man. Lichen do not grow in cities because of pollution. Some reliable indicators of pollution: lichens and mosses. Which is the main factor in water pollution? Insect. Industrial wastes. DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant. Which is the main source of water and soil pollution? All of the above. Salination occurs due to both A and B. Eutrophication is greatest in bottoms layers of deep lakes. But are the skyophytes plants found in shady places? Carbon cycle includes producer, consumer, decomposition. Non-pollutant source of energy: solar energy. Smoke is a air pollution. DDT concentration will be more omnivorous. Life without air is impossible. Which of the following is not ionizing radiation? Infrared rays. Acid rain is due to sulfur dioxide pollution. Carbon monoxide is a major pollutant of air. Endosulfone is a pesticide. Smoke are consequence of rapid build up photochemical oxidant, pollutant, and thermal inversion. In metropolitan cities, the air pollution is mainly due to automobile exhaust. The term biomagnetic